I've been a horse girl since I was a little horse crazy. Presently, we have 17 boarders, if we count a donkey and a mini.
The basis of all this is her passion for horses. There's no question about it. But I think the house right now is in need of some help. Hasn't been touched for a long time.
This house has just been not loved for so
Right, it
long
needs
that
love.
now you have trees growing in your gutters.
Right.
Those windows are like so out of proportion.
I think bringing the proportion back is fantastic, really bringing it back to its original, what I'm sure was originally the house, the way it was built. I think definitely giving it a New England feel is pretty special too, and I'm looking forward to what's being done.
Let's go take a look inside. Holy wow.
How's
That
that?
is awesome. I love newel posts. They're so cool.
What I've read is some of the older homes, the actual newel posts, have holes in the center. And what is in there is either the mortgage or the deed to the house. And when it's finally paid off, they put it in.
Ah, I never knew that piece of history in old houses. But we aren't gonna touch this staircase. It looks perfect as is. So let's go take a look at what else we got going on over here. Such great space in here.
That's great.
Wow. The tenants that lived here, they had their dining room here.
Yep.
I think we pulled the dining room this way and just take advantage of the space and be closer to the fireplace. What are you thinking about
Well, I think the
this
floors
room?
are sort of an 80 blonde stain to them, and maybe if we can make the room a little richer by making them darker.
Sand them down,
Yeah,
put a
just
little
a darker
color
stain.
in there. That sounds perfect. So let's go talk about this kitchen. So this was definitely an add-on at some point.
Yep.
Tile, these like shutter doors, the really old appliances. And you have these windows that are probably needing to be replaced. They're a little bit old, but I mean, come on, look at that view.
view.
Just to like be in the kitchen and look out across your property and see the horses running around the field. It must be so.
They're pretty special. I think if you're gonna have a horse property, you better be able to look at your horses.
Exactly.
So, if changes in here could happen, the more windows we get, the better.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you mentioned you want like a very European farmhouse feel.
English, French,
country.
yes, English country.
Those kind of kitchens often have big work tables and not a lot of cabinets. They're just very utilitarian and lived in.
It's not a sterile kitchen.
Yeah, you just described my favorite kitchen too. It just,
Perfect.
so we're gonna keep this wall, but I think the one place that we can open up and have a little connectivity is from here into the sun porch. This is the exterior of your house. And at some point,
And then they closed it in.
and-
Kept adding.
Yeah.
So I think here in the sunroom, we open this up, give some connectivity to the kitchen, do something on the floor, and I think brick would be really cool out here. And then just sit back and enjoy this awesome view.
Perfect.
This whole area of the house will be the biggest change. This sunroom's gonna be so warm and inviting with the brick floor. Once we widen this doorway into the kitchen, it'll make everything feel more welcoming. And if we add a long work table instead of a traditional island, it'll give you that old English farmhouse vibe you're after.
It's going to make this inviting, it's going to make it useful, and I think it's just going to be an incredible change.
The outside needs a ton of work. You need all new windows, then we need to paint the doors, paint the new window trim, and bring in all new landscaping. Now inside the house, a lot of the footprint will stay the same because we want to keep the original historic feel to this house. We'll shift your dining room closer to the fireplace, replace some of the windows in there, and reconfigure the entire kitchen. I want to take down that wall of windows between the kitchen and the sunroom and make it one big space. And in the club room, we need to add electrical, which definitely adds up, and it's all gonna take time. So I'm thinking this project's gonna take us 13 to 14 weeks. So I know your budget's coming in at around $200,000.
200 sounds pretty reasonable, collectively speaking.
Okay. Batter up.
There you go. That's what I want to see.
The main thing we have to do in the sunroom is take down this wall, connecting it to the kitchen. It's gonna change the entire feel of this room. So a lot of times when you start tearing apart old houses, you find a few problems. Sometimes you find a lot of problems. And we ran into an issue in the kitchen. So Corinne's here today. She's out in the barn with her horses, and I'm gonna go grab her, bring her in, and let her know what we're dealing with. Ah, come on in.
Okay. Oh, wow. Ah.
Different, right?
So, yeah?
This.
So different. Oh, that's your view.
But your view is in danger of coming down. When we took all the walls down, I don't know if the window was leaking or your sink was leaking, and you just have all this rot on the back of the house. It's there, and then we found this over here. It's just like, that's holding up the back of you.
Okay, I guess it needed a little work.
So to do this right, we're gonna have to take some of this back wall down, put it back up. Definitely can't leave this like this.
No.
It's just not structurally sound. This is probably gonna cost around $1,000 to fix.
I think we have to do it, right? I don't
Yeah,
think
we
it's
have
an
to
option.
do this. No options.
Okay.
Now we're gonna have brand new walls. This kitchen is just gonna be spectacular. So this clubroom is gonna be dark and moody. The brick on the floor in the sunroom is gonna really warm up what would otherwise be a very airy and wide open room. Corrine told me people would take the deed to the house after it was paid off, and they would stick it in the newel post. So I did some research, and I found the original deed to this farm, and I just thought it would be fun to stick the original deed back into the newel post.
So it's something like that. Huh?
Today is crunch day.
I feel like I've been working on this house for 50 weeks. Maybe 54, maybe 52. I don't know. It feels like it's been forever, but there was something about like the copper pans going up. I kind of feel like we're done. It's coming together like I was hoping. Hold
got
on,
more pots?
Let me go get more pots.
That's how it feels.
We are so excited. We're not done, but we're almost there.
At Michael and Corine's, it just felt like all these rooms were just disconnected from each other. They had no identity. And now they just all combined together to make it one nice, warm hub.
I'm excited and nervous and anxious, and I'm a little emotional, actually.
Well, you know, it's okay. It's like a new beginning for you. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, my God. Look at the awnings.
Looks like a new
Look at the
house.
awnings. It looks like a country club.
Wow, beautiful.
Oh, my gosh. That's I'm going to get a
incredible.
little...
Hello.
Hi, guys.
Welcome home.
This
Good,
is
good.
amazing.
Yes.
It's
Yeah.
like a new house. The place is so much cleaner. The paint is beautiful.
I love my awnings. You love your awnings? Yeah. Perfect green and white stripes. It looks like an old world country club. It just gives enough pop, kind of like a black dress with red shoes.
I love it. I love it. No. One thing I've been waiting, how do you feel about the
How
awnings?
do I feel about the, well, you know, I wasn't in favor of the awnings, only because I was concerned about the wind, but beautiful. It adds such a pop. They look great.
You know what? I actually almost forgot what it looked like before.
There was these bushes that were growing in there that just blocked the entire house.
Right.
You had those picture windows, so now we got these really nice ones that match. You had stuff growing in the gutter, which is now gone. And just painting the front doors has made such a big difference.
The place looks like it's been transformed.
Woo! Love it!
That's
Now
me.
that's see. Are you ready to go inside?
We're ready.
All right, let's
No, I
go.
don't think I'm ready to go.
Are you
no.
ready?
Come on, Michael, let's go.
Come on. Oh my God.
Whoa.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
This is amazing.
Oh wow.
Not the same house.
Oh my God.